Welcome to my channel, guys, and today's video is my New York City apartment before and after. We're going to show you how we took a rented apartment and did creative hacks to make it look as good as possible. Love how the closet came out, and it was for under $150 using contact paper, shelves, and velvet hangers from Amazon. All the information about furniture, decor, and like paint colors will be in the description box below.
Push it with your foot. Oh, let me push it with my foot. You're struggling. This be the porn plot line.